Hey, it's Zeff, the robot, part 8.
Listen to me. If you think you are welcome here, well, you are wrong. As the superior here, I won't let a scamming scheme affect the workflow of our company. You can't be here.
My circuits is getting covered in spits. Please pardon me. I need to clean myself before continuing this talk. Thank you. So, what other inputs you want to add to improve the services?
Part 9. Coming soon. This story was created by Alexar Studio. If you enjoyed this story, support the artist by subscribing to our newsletter. Link in bio.